Apparently, you want 1,000 subscribers. After all, it's the first step to getting monetized. Plus, it's a big achievement. According to research, less than 10% of creators ever reach this milestone. But what if I told you that you can get there faster without even making a new video? Yes, you heard me right. There is a secret source of subscribers that most creators overlook, and it's right under your nose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your channel page to turn casual viewers into loyal fans. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now let's get started. Most creators assume that their subscribers come from people who click the subscribe button while watching one of their videos. Those creators would be wrong. There's another source that's likely responsible for the majority or a massive amount of the subscribers that you have, and you shouldn't ignore it. When you go into YouTube Studio Analytics Advanced mode and then click Subscription Source, you will see a full breakdown of where your subscribers really come from. The #1 subscription source for this channel is titled Your YouTube Channel. This is different from your YouTube channel watch page where people actually watch your videos. This traffic source refers to the home page to all of your YouTube channel content, not a specific video. This was also true for this channel, who gained over half of his subscribers from this one page. So if you're still trying to get your first 100, 1,000, or even 1 million subscribers on YouTube, setting this page up properly so that it will be a click magnet will do incredible things for your channel growth and takes a lot less effort than actually making a new video. There are 3 key elements that will make this a page that will bring you a ton of subscribers. The first is the banner. This sets the tone of what your channel is about. Since your channel name is already here, I wouldn't recommend repeating it in the banner. Use this space to share some of the topics you cover or what your subscribers can expect. It could also include a reminder to subscribe. A high-quality banner sets the tone that you are a high-quality channel. Please don't throw up any garbage here. If your artistic skills are anything like mine, just use Canva. It has plenty of free professional templates that you can customize. Next is the featured video. I'm not crazy about using this section as a channel trailer. It feels a bit outdated. Plus, your channel trailer is probably an old video you made before you had any skills. It's probably not your best piece of work. Instead, choose one of your most impressive videos to feature here. This will give viewers an immediate impression of the kind of quality and content they can expect from your channel. It could be a top-viewed video or a video that's been getting you a ton of subscribers. Think about it like this. If your crush asks you to share a video from your channel, what would you share? That should be it. The goal here is to choose a video that will make somebody absolutely fall in love with you. The third element is this small description. It's in the center of the page. It's the preview of the first 1 to 2 lines of your channel's About section. You have about 70 characters to explain what your channel is about before it gets cut off. So make those characters count. Here are some examples you can follow. All of these channels do a great job of stating their channel's mission statement, so viewers can immediately understand if the channel is for them, and hopefully, they'll become subscribers. A high-quality channel page can be the difference between 3 out of 10 viewers hitting the subscribe button and 8 out of 10 viewers hitting it over the next week, months, years. This will make a massive difference. Here's what I want you to do. Leave a comment, and I will happily review some of your channels and give you feedback on the changes that you made to your channel page. I'm sure some of the other commenters will happily join in also, because your YouTube channel page can be the reason why you convert more viewers into subscribers. If you learned something, please do leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more video like this. See you in the next video.